Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. So here comes the part 6 of our video series in which we are discussing the national symbols of South Korea. In the first part, I gave you the names of various national symbols of South Korea. Then in the second part, we learned in detail about the Korean flag. In the third part of the series, we talked about the national flower. Then in the fourth part, we discussed about the national animal. And in the fifth part, we learned about the national bird of South Korea. Now, in this sixth part, let's talk about the national emblem of South Korea. So, without wasting any time, let's begin. The first question is, what's the national emblem of South Korea? What is it called? So, let's see. The national emblem of South Korea is called 대한민국의 국장. 대한민국의 국장. Here, 대한민국, it is the official name of South Korea, that is the Republic of Korea. And 국장 means a symbol or emblem. Okay? And this is how it looks like. This is the design, this is the emblem of South Korea. Okay? And one more thing, it is commonly referred to as 국장, which is the shortened form of its name. 대한민국의 국장 is shortened as 국장. Okay, so you'll find this word more often. And sometimes you'll notice that it is also referred as 나라 문장. So, 나라 문장 is also a term for the emblem. Here you can see 나라 is the Korean word for nation or country. And 문장 is also a word for symbol or emblem or seal, such thing. So, country symbol or country emblem, 나라 문장. Okay? So, basically, the official word for national emblem is 대한민국의 국장. The shortened form is 국장. And another word for the emblem is 나라 문장. Okay? Now, let's move ahead and see what does the design of the emblem signify. Because it is a national symbol, so definitely it has some meaning behind its design. It is being designed in such a way that it holds a significant meaning in itself. So let's see. So first of all, let's talk about the design of this symbol. The national emblem of South Korea, it consists of the taeguk symbol. Here in the center, we have taeguk, which is surrounded by 5 mugunghwa petals. Mugunghwa is the national flower of South Korea. So this taeguk circle, it is surrounded by mugunghwa petals, and beneath them is a ribbon with the inscription 대한민국, which is the Korean name of the country of South Korea. So this is the design of the emblem. Now let's see the symbolic meaning of each element present in the emblem. Let's talk about each element separately. So first comes the taeguk that is present in the center. So taeguk, it symbolizes balance and harmony in the universe, reflecting the traditional East Asian philosophy of yin and yang. Okay, so the meaning behind using taeguk in the national emblem is because it symbolizes balance and harmony, the presence of positive and negative cosmic forces in nature. That is what it symbolizes. And it is a very popular thing, or I should say a popular way of reflecting the universe in the Asian philosophy. It is based on the philosophy of yin and yang. And this taeguk, it is also present in the national flag of South Korea. Okay? Next is these flower petals. The 5 flower petals represent the national flower of South Korea, mugunghwa, which is commonly known as Rose of Sharon. And mugunghwa is a symbol of resilience and immortality. So definitely it is a very important national symbol for the Korean country, and therefore they have included it in the emblem also. Next comes the ribbon that is present beneath them. So this ribbon, it has the official Korean name of the country, 대한민국, written on it in Hangul. Hangul is the Korean script. Okay, so the name of the country, Republic of Korea, in the Korean language is 대한민국. Here this ribbon is kind of encircling these flower petals. Okay, so this is the symbolism of each and every element present in the emblem. Now let's see what is the cultural significance of the national emblem. What significance it holds culturally. Let's talk about that. So first of all, it was adopted as the national emblem of South Korea in 1963. Okay, so this was the year this design was adopted as the national emblem. It is a powerful representation of the country's cultural heritage and national identity. Obviously, the emblem of a country is the identity of that country. It holds a very powerful place in the culture of the country. The significance of the emblem is also reflected in the elements that it is made up of. The taeguk, it symbolizes the nation's philosophical roots, emphasizing the importance of balance and harmony. So you will notice that taeguk holds a very significant place in the Korean culture, Korean philosophy, Korean history. So definitely it holds a powerful place in the emblem. Then the flower mugunghwa, being a symbol of resilience, it reflects the enduring spirit of the Korean people through historical challenges. Mugunghwa has the properties of blooming even in adverse conditions. So that same thing applies on the enduring spirit of the Korean people. The ability to stand erect even in difficult situations, to never lose hope, is what this flower symbolizes. So definitely it is a very important part of the Korean culture, and the emblem as a whole, it signifies unity, strength, and the continuation of the nation's traditions and values. Now let's talk about the uses of this emblem. So the national emblem is used on official government documents, currency, official seals, military and diplomatic insignia, and during state ceremonies. So there are multiple places or multiple occasions where this emblem is used to denote the South Korean country, and it symbolizes the authority and identity of the Republic of Korea in both domestic and international contexts. So it holds a significant position in the South Korean country, and it is used as a powerful identity, as a national identity of the Republic of Korea, 대한민국. Okay? Alright, so in this video we learned about the national emblem of South Korea in detail. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.